Hazrat Abu Ashari reports, the Prophet ﷺ sent me to my people in Yemen. I came to him and he was at Batha. He ﷺ said, "For what have you put on the ihram?" I submitted, "For the purpose for what the Prophet ﷺ has put on the ihram." He ﷺ said, "Do you have a sacrificial animal with you?" I said, "No." He ﷺ commanded me, so I performed circumambulation around Allah's house and marched between Safa and Marwa. Then he ﷺ commanded, so I took off the ihram. I came to a woman of my people, so she combed my hair or washed my head. When Hazrat Umar times approached, he said, "If we follow Allah's book, it commands us to complete Hajj and Umrah as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu says, and fulfill the Hajj and Umrah for Allah." Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 196. And if we consider the Prophet's practice, he ﷺ did not take off the ihram till performing the sacrifice. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1559.